Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, I'm going to introduce a brand new AI platform that converts text or image to amazing video. That is Vidnoz. Remember this domain, vidnoz.com. What is Vidnoz? Vidnoz is not one AI. It's plenty AIs. And this is quite amazing. Check it out. AI avatar, video templates, custom AI avatar, and Vidnoz Gen. And when you're hiring this, you get a lot of free AI tools, dude. So all the AIs you see on the screen are free. So we have AI talking photo, AI text to video, AI image to video, and more. And I think you might find this quite useful when you need to play around with AI. I think it's quite useful if you want to use AI or just give it a try, but you don't want to spend any cent. And don't forget to check out this website, Vidnoz. And basically, you can use Vidnoz to create a virtual avatar or music. And also, you can use it to compress your video with the AI video compressor. So you get all the AIs to handle videos and all the AIs to handle photos, and also a lot of AI tools to handle AI voice. That's just amazing, right? But today, let's focus, let's give the spotlight to AI image to video. Click here. No worries, I will put this address to the description of this video and you can pick up from there. So basically, we can convert image photos into a very interesting videos. And you can put that to Instagram or video or just share with your friends. Okay, it's quite amazing. Okay, let's try it out. So here, you can upload an image and convert this image to amazing video. And also, we have this video effects tab where you can use your photo or your portrait to make amazing effects. Like this microwave effect. This is quite trending on TikTok, right? And also you can try this fly and many more. This is quite interesting. We will cover it later. And also you can use a text to video to create a video by your prompt. That's quite amazing as well. And back to the first tab, image to video, and when we scroll down, we might find some introduction. So this AI will help us to convert photos to video with a Vidnoz AI image to video for free. So this AI will turn your static text or image to vivid video with seconds. And also it's a very powerful free photo video maker with the AI tag. And it owns 30 plus various styles and high quality and smooth motion video effects. Also, you can resize and share video to any platform. That's quite amazing. So maybe you can be the influencer on TikTok, social media, or you want to do a video for your product as a marketing people, or if you are a very interesting teacher, you want to use it for your materials for school, or maybe this is a better way to sell real estate. That's amazing, right? If you are selling a house, it's better to sell it with a video than a photo, right? So basically, it's just 3 steps: upload an image, convert to a video, and export and share. Quite simple, right? All right, let's try it out. So first step is upload an image. I already uploaded one that I just generated. And step 2 is set the basic video information. Basically, it's select your model. So we have a Vidnoz Lite and a Vidnoz Turbo. And I'm gonna use Vidnoz Max. This is the best performance model ever. And you can set up the length of the video up to 10 seconds. And you can choose a generation model with a high performance or high quality. So here, I want to see what the high quality is about. And here is unwanted content, quite cute. So basically, that is a negative prompt. If you want to type your negative prompt, you can type it here. And let's click the generate. Okay, we have our first video generated. Let's click play. Oh my god, this is truly amazing. And you can click here to download this video, or you can click here to share with your friend. You can share by the Twitter, Facebook, Discord, and link. Of horse. That's kind of cute, right? We can have a background music and make this girl actually dancing. And also the quality, check out the quality, it's quite amazing, right? And we have a very high resolution, as you can see. So every frame of this video can actually be the wallpaper. This is quite amazing, right? This is the performance of the Vidnoz to transform the static image into a vivid video. And let's go to the next one, video effects. That's quite interesting, right? So we can use all kinds of the filter to play around with photos. So this time, let's try to upload my image. And let's click this microwave filter trend and click the generate. Okay, let's play around, click the zoom in, and we can find this quite interesting, right? So I'm like in the microwave, and maybe I can try this one. I always want to be squashed, so let's click here and click the generate. And meanwhile, maybe we can add a multitask to it. So we have a fly, and what we have here, puppy hugs. Oh, that's cute. And also we have this squash, and then Disney princess. That's not for me. That's maybe for you. And also aging. I don't need that. Muscles. Oh, maybe we can try that. So click here, click the generate. See, we can easily do multitask here. And let's upload another image of me. And let's try something else. We have a bride. Okay, cool. And we have a gunshot. Oh, snap. And also a loyal princess. It's not for me. And the Snow White. Oh. And what about this? Assassin. Oh, cool. What about this? Mona Lisa. And something so fun. And I think this is better if we using object instead of a human, right? And we have this Django. So let's generate 3 at one time. Let's try text to image here. So you can type a prompt here. For example, like I'm typing a cute little boy is dancing, okay? And let's choose a model to the Vidnoz Max as well. And we can choose the length of the video to 5 seconds. And for the aspect ratio, I want to do TikTok, so maybe this one's more fit. And choose high performance. Okay, my friend, we have our result. Let's check it out one by another. Oh my God, that's so crazy. Oh man. And what about this one? Oh, I like this one. Check out my muscle. You can upload this to your social media to add some interesting comments. And oh, in the jungle. Wow, we have even a panther. That's crazy. Last but not least, we have a little boy dancing. You gotta check out this one because this is so real. Check out this little boy. Can you believe it? This is actually by text, but we got this vivid little boy dancing in the very casual home. I cannot believe this is a fake one. Oh my God. And click this logo of the Vidnoz Gen, you will come back to the homepage. So this is a dashboard. You can storage all your creations here. And other side, we have all kinds of the new AI tools like image to video, we just covered that. And also text to video, remember this little boy. And also you can upload 2 images to make them kissing. And AI image creator, that is so amazing. And maybe let's demonstrate how those works. Maybe let's try this photo dancing. So we can better upload the image, but notice that you need to upload a full body image instead of the cutting one. Or you can select one for our trial. Maybe let's try this one. And second, we need to find a suitable music. Yeah, maybe the first one. And we need to try the style. So we have a melt, shake, swing, wiggle, and maybe shake. And let's click the generate button. Okay, we have our result. Let's check it out. Wow. Wow, I gotta say, this Vidnoz is quite amazing. And don't forget to check it out by yourself, and I think you will thank me for introducing this, okay? And another reminder is not only those tools, but also we have AI video, AI image, and AI audio for the Vidnoz. Okay, so much for today. Hope you like this tool, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.